Here is how to clear cache on the Instagram app. So let's get started. So this method will work for any Android phone. And the first thing you have to do is locate Instagram on your phone. So it's here in the app drawer, and then just long click on it. And you'll see an option called App Info. So this may be different based on your phone. For me, I have to click on More Features, and then I'll click on App Info. Once you're here, you'll have to look for storage usage. So again, this may look different if you have a Samsung phone. On OnePlus phones, it'll look like this. So I have storage usage written here. So click on it, and you can see there are two options. And this step is really important, where you only have to clear cache and do not clear data. Because if you clear data, it's as good as uninstalling Instagram. For now, we only want to clear cache. So I'll click on that. And as you can see, it's reduced to 0. Earlier it was 423, and now it's 0. And again, if I open Instagram, there's no change to the app. I don't have to log in again. All my posts are there, but now the cache data is deleted. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to read messages without the other person knowing, check out this video. Goodbye.